In front of me is TCL 50 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password from Passwords section at the bottom left corner that you wish to delete. Enter your screen lock. Click Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!